All right, y'all, this is just a real quick saying hey for the day. I'm going to link in some pictures of the new designs, and I hope you like them. They're not exactly what we're going to be working on today in part 2 of our regular video for the day, but I thought you might enjoy seeing some of the new designs that have the still shot from the live last week. So enjoy and like and subscribe to us so you can see everything that we post, whether it's embroidery or flower farming or canning or maybe just a quick tidbit of just saying hey and hello and somebody hears you if you want to comment. Would love to hear from you. Hope you have a wonderful day and stay tuned. See what we have to show today.